So how long does it take to set up camp? About that long. And that's find a place for the truck, getting it level, had to put a couple rocks underneath the driver's side, bump it up a little bit. Tent deployed, awning deployed, kind of getting everything, all the kitchen totes organized back there, the water jug in its place. So it really is like the full-on camp setup. How long does it take? I did already have my chair set up, so you know, you could add a couple minutes to that if you want. But overall, it's really not so bad. Table set up, chair set up, everything is in its place, and that's how long it takes for me by myself to get it set up. Of course, with Vanessa here, it's a lot quicker. We both have our chores, we know our duties, we're pretty efficient at setting up and tear down camp. So, but that right there is the official setup time from start to finish, and we're gonna time it again here tomorrow when I tear down, just to see what it looks like. So there you have it. Well, that was an awesome night. Weather was beautiful. So we're gonna go ahead and tear down. We're gonna go ahead and time that also. Solo tear down. And I'm not in a rush. I'm not gonna time this as like a, you know, FKT or something, you know. This is just casual tear down, and we'll see just how long it takes to get everything packed back up and ready to hit the road. So, let's see what this timer looks like. Boom, let's go. Casual put away, solo, almost 23 minutes on the clock. So roughly 25 to set up, you know, roughly 25 to tear down. I don't know, it's not too bad. That's just a casual put away. Just like earlier, yesterday, it was a casual setup, so no need to rush it, no need to create records, fast and known times or anything. I could probably cut it in half if I really busted it, but why? Take the time, enjoy it. It's beautiful out here. So, well, let's hit the trails, huh? I forgot my pillow, so I'm gonna use a blanket for a pillow, but that's beside the point.